Hello everyone, it's me again Edmund and welcome back to a new tutorials, tips and Windows best technique and tricks. In this video, I'll show you how to activate or deactivate user in Windows 11. So let's get started guys. On the first step, just go to searching bar on your computer and type this keyword CMD. And make sure this command prompt as click as run as administrator. And here now the user account control, just click only yes. And here now the command prompt homepage. On the next step, just type only this command need user to see the user account that has been registered on this Windows 11. So type only net, so all small letters and space user, and then press enter. Right guys, so you can see now the user account for this Windows is written here my name, and here in below you can see the administrator guest and default account, and here again my name and the command completed successfully. Alright guys, so on the next step, if you want to make it active this account, just type only this command net space user and then space the username space slash and then active and then colon and then type only this yes. So guys, follow this format: net space user space username space slash active colon and yes, and then press only enter. Right guys, so if you want also to make it deactivate for this account, so same things. So type net space user space username space slash active colon and no. So that's it guys. So follow this format: net space user space username space slash active colon and no. So this the very simple tutorials for about to how to activate or deactivate the user account in Windows 11. And hope you will learn again these tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell notifications to update upcoming more videos and tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next vlogs.